So Kendrick Paez will not join Strasbourg on loan. For now, he is in the plans of Chelsea to play the FIFA Club Tournament. For Estavio there, he will play with Palmeiras. After that tournament, he then do what? Join Chelsea. So guys, that is it. Yes, for Kendrick Paez and Estavio, and Nicola Jackson also is ready. Yes, information from Chelsea camp. Jackson can now play against Paez. He is fit, 100% fit. And Cole Palmer also, I think he can play. Yes. So, I know for Spurs, no matter how bad we are, we always beat them. But actually, this is football. Football is full of uncertainty. Yes, probabilities. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy, Richman. In fact, guys, today we are in Saudi. I'm here with the money back. Yes, I want to buy Chelsea. I told you that before. I'm going to buy Chelsea. But it seems you guys are not taking me serious. It seems you are not understanding me. Yes, but I'm coming with the money back. Yes, from Saudi. Yes, I'm taking Chelsea away from Tudboli. Mention any striker that you want me to sign. I'll bring that striker. Mention any striker. Osimhen, Victor Gyökeres. Mention. I have the money back here. So guys, happy Eid to all Muslims around the world. Happy Eid to everybody. Yes, you can celebrate, but please make sure that you stay safe. Yes, we still need one another. We want to be alive to experience, yes, the more years that are yet to come. So you can celebrate your Salah, but please be safe. Yes, chill, but don't freeze. Yes. So guys, let's come to our transfers. In fact, Chelsea still interested in Rafael Leao from AC Milan. Their winger. From reliable sources, Chelsea still interested in this player. And his agent is the same as João Felix's agent, George Mendes. So because of the relationship Chelsea have with his agent, Chelsea believe that they can use that relationship, yes, and sign him. Or it can help for Chelsea to get him. And his market value is around 83 million. Yes. So information said that even before Chelsea will start any negotiating with AC Milan, Chelsea must present the 83 million first. Before Chelsea can even speak, we want to sign Rafael, Chelsea must come up with the 83 million, his market value, the amount of money AC Milan want to sell him. So guys, that is the rumors, the news about Chelsea want to sign Leao. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this sign. Do you think we need him? Do you think he will be important signing for Chelsea, guys? And let's move to the next transfer. But before we go there, guys, please, just remind you, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it give me the motivation to give you more videos. So please hit the like button. In fact, my news, the scent, they are cooking. So I'm hearing the scent of those kind of, yes, things, the meat and the salad meat. So as I'm shooting the video, that is why I'm not speaking freely. I'm hearing so many scents from the neighborhood, from the community, even in my own house. Yes. Let's come to Andrew Santos. Andrew Santos. In fact, the best DM in top 5 European leagues. The best DM, I'm telling you. He scored goals more than any DM you can talk about in all the top 5 European leagues. I'm telling you guys. Andrew Santos. For that matter, Chelsea said that they will give him a chance next season. Andrew Santos will be given a chance in the first team next season. I'm telling you. And this guy, let's hope he come on, perform or show the same performance he's showing this season at France Strasbourg. In fact, he's about to even send them to Champions League plays. Yes, when you look at the numbers, yes, they can still qualify. So guys, let's look at Andrew Santos' numbers this season. The chances he's created, the goals that he scored, the assists. Let's look at them. This season, Santos played 25 games so far, 9 goals scored and gave 1 assist. 13 shots from Andrew Santos at Strasbourg, 78 big chances conversion, 7 big chances created, wow, and 88% passing accuracy. 88% passing accuracy from a young 20 years ball, Andrew Santos. This is insane. And overall rating for him so far this season is 7.44. Wow, what a wow, what a wow. In fact, this guy, I can't wait to see him play for Chelsea next season. I can't wait. This guy is delivering like a pregnant woman. I'm telling you. Let's hope he come and continue, because sometimes our Chelsea, our player will go somewhere else and be playing like prime N'Golo Kante. But when he join Chelsea or come back to Chelsea, we are seeing different play. But let's hope this guy, because if you want to look at our midfield, yes, we need a lot of midfielders next season. Yes, to come and help with Casado and Enzo, because for Lavia there, we can't trust him again. The injuries are becoming unbecoming. Yes. So guys, that is Andrew Santos' numbers, his statistics this season at Strasbourg. And Chelsea said he will be given the chance next season to play with the first team, the senior squad. Let me hear from you under the comment section the importance Andrew Santos will bring onto the table next season. Would you like him to play for Chelsea? And let's come to our goalkeeping position. In fact, information from Chelsea camp, yes, that Chelsea will not sign a new goalkeeper next season. Petrovic and Sanchez will be given the chance to compete. All our goalkeepers will be given the chance, including Paez and co. All of them will be given the chance to see whether they deserve to be Chelsea goalkeeper. So I can say all the competition will be between Petrovic and Sanchez. Who will be the number one? Yes. And these guys, Chelsea will give them the chance to prove it. Petrovic and Sanchez. And so far for Sanchez, this season we saw him. I think enough is enough. So for me, I just think Chelsea should give the number one spot to Petrovic. Not for them to compete again. For what? For Sanchez there, we saw everything. Even Georgeson, I can tell you that Maresca is not being fair. Give him the chance. No player can pick form on the bench. Let him play. Whilst he will be playing, there he will get the experience. But I don't know why. As I keep on saying, as if Maresca is dating Sanchez's sister. Sanchez will be doing all the errors, the billions errors you can talk about in this world. The next game, you see Sanchez again. So guys, that Chelsea is not signing a new goalkeeper next season. Petrovic and Sanchez will be given the chance, even including Paez and co. So let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this, our goalkeeping situation. Should Chelsea sign a new goalkeeper, or should Petrovic be our number one, or Sanchez should continue, or Paez? Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And there was rumors that Chelsea young talented player signed from Ecuador, Paez, will join Strasbourg on loan. But now information said that he's not going to join Strasbourg on loan. He will rather train with Strasbourg and get the European experience, as we all knew that he never played even in European football. So he will train with Strasbourg, then come and join Chelsea during the FIFA Club tournament. That Chelsea has him in the plans, yes, to play in the FIFA Club tournament that will come when the season ends. So Paez will not join Strasbourg on loan. For now, he is in the plans of Chelsea to play the FIFA Club tournament. For Estavio there, he will play with Palmeiras. After that tournament, he then do what? Join Chelsea. So guys, that is it. Yes, for Paez and Estavio, and Nicola Jackson also is ready. Yes, information from Chelsea camp. Jackson can now play against Paez. He is fit, 100% fit. And Cole Palmer also, I think he can play. Yes. So, I know for Spurs, no matter how bad we are, we always beat them. But actually, this is football. Football is full of uncertainty. Yes, probabilities. So, you can't 100% say. Especially we are returning from international break. You don't know the form we are bringing back. So, guys, all our players are back. Everybody. Yes, Nkunku, Madueke, Nicola Jackson, Palmer, Sanchez, Georgeson, everybody. Even Maresca is also back. Let's hope. Maresca change his. In fact, Charlie, because of Maresca in town, if I see someone with a bald head, I become more angry because of Enzo Maresca. Yes, any person that I now see in town with bald head, for me, I was thinking bald head managers are winners. When I saw Guardiola, Pep winning Man City their first Champions League, winning them 4 times in a row. So when Chelsea was signing Maresca, I said, what a wow. What a wow. I'm also signing a ball manager who will come and win me 4 Premier League trophies and at least Champions League. But so far, the way things are going with Maresca, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought in all what we discussed in this video. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it give me the motivation to give you more videos. And if anything happen, I will give you update again. So please turn on the notification bell. Take care. Peace.